how to create a QR code for questionnaire. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you create a QR code for your questionnaire. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open up any browser and from there you'll have to just open your questionnaire. So as in my case, I'm opening Google Form. Alright, so from here, select your questionnaire or form here. Alright, after you come on this interface, you'll have to click on publish over here at the top right corner. Okay, so from the publish option, copy the link of your questionnaire or form. So simply click on the option copy link. Alright, click on copy. Okay, after you copy the link, you'll have to just open another tab on your browser, and after you go in another tab in the source field, you'll have to search for QR code generator. Alright, after you search the QR code generator in the source field, you can find a lot of websites that will provide you to generate QR codes. So simply from here, you can choose any one this website from here. Alright, after you open any website, you will get such interface. So from here, on this section, enter your link. You'll have to just paste your copied link from your Google Docs or questionnaire. So from here, on this section, you'll have to just paste the link of your questionnaire or Google form. So simply, you'll have to just paste it. Alright, after you paste it, you'll be able to easily generate or create a QR code for your questionnaire or Google form. So from here, you can easily generate and download this QR on your system. So for that, click on download option here. And now from here, you can choose any one of your platform to begin with login on this website. So you can continue with your Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, or email. So simply choose any one from here. And after you log in with your Google or any platform, you'll be able to easily download that QR code on your system. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.